Hello everyone, welcome to a Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to blend two pictures together. You're going to need two pictures. So first what you want to do is go down to the layer mask, add that, go back to your gradient tool, located by the eraser, make sure it is black and white or white on black. So then after, what you want to do is take it from any corner, and then you could have that. You can have any side you want. So I'd say like this, and then you're done. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Next one will be out soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.